morning, my beautiful and lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and I'm back with another vlog. So today is 5. Alright, so today is number 5. I just got up. As you can see, I have my coffee in my, in my beautiful coffee mug. And today I'm going to go, what am I going to do today? Today is cleanup day. And then also, I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but when you're like an artist or a designer or something, I don't know. I know for myself, I like to have dreams about what I could do. So last night I had a dream. I need more ornaments on my tree. And the place I was going to go at home, I went like 2 weeks ago. Everything was cleared out. I mean, everything. They were saying that they didn't expect that people were going to buy this much of stuff. So everything is gone. So I needed more bulbs or ornaments for my tree. So I was thinking if I go and get the bulbs, like I said that word, from the Dollar Tree, and then the boas, and like wrap it around the bulbs or something, I'll figure out something. We can arts and crafts together. But since my tree is like white and it has like little owls on it, and the tree skirt is a fur, is like a furry, kind of like the pillows I showed you in one of the vlogs that come up. But I'll show you the tree also. I'm thinking that's going to be like really cute. And then I may also take the boas and like wrap it in the tree. Hopefully they have white ones there. I'm not very sure if I've seen white, because I know I've seen pink or some other color. So hopefully they have the white ones. This is going to be interesting. So this is going to be interesting. And yeah, we can arts and crafts together. You can see what I make with that. And what else do I do today? That's basically it. Today is really chill. Don't have much on the agenda. Remember to look here, not here, here. Like I said, by the time I finish with these, I am going to be an expert at vlogging or just recording, period. I hope you guys are liking these. I know I don't really have a lot of followers. I'm hoping that my gorgeous personality, or even my daughter's personality, would show up and you start liking what you get. I don't know. You know, we'll see. It's fun though. It's fun kind of just talking to the camera, just documenting your day. This is my daughter's room. I was going through clothes and stuff, getting rid of them.
Yes.
Yes, but I need to throw that stuff away. And your baby stuff. And yes, I still haven't got rid of her bed because I never finished her room.
Yes,
So this is how I look junky. I'm gonna show you too, because I wanted a. Wait, let me tell her. We need a mirror right here, so I'm gonna get a mirror from Home Goods.
Yes, I will need a TV right there.
No, we're not gonna get a TV right now. And then I was supposed to hang some balls up here. I was supposed to hang up.
But not today.
Not today.
Like for my birthday.
I was supposed to hang these on the ceiling. I think I'm gonna do it.
I should go inside my bed.
Yeah. So let me clean up her room.
But wait,
we'll come back.
Now let me talk.
What?
Now I been here when I was sleeping here because it's a crib. Oh my God. I'm a big good now, so I don't sleep in the crib.
Did you ever sleep in this crib?
No.
No.
Only when I was a baby.
No, you never slept in it. We would put you in it and you would cry.
So he took me out.
So we put you just in my bed. Okay, let's start cleaning up. Okay, bye. It's nice and pretty. I don't know what happened to that. I think it's broken. I gotta unscrew it. It's clean. And then these are her clean clothes that I still need to put up. Yep. But I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put them up. But there's the room. We are done. One room down. 50 more million to go. So this, we don't use this restroom. So But this room, I am
so
going
messy.
to. This is my husband uses this room for his clothes, and this is a donation box. This is a donation box. I just threw his clothes in a box because he refused to put them in his closet, and I used to hang up his stuff. Or not me, my sister used to hang up his stuff. I'm not hanging on nothing. I'm done. I'm done. All right, so let's get to this one. This room is done. These are boxes of donations. That's all his clothes, because like I said, I used to hang up his clothes. I'm not doing it no more. And I think today I'm gonna hang up this curtain, and then I need a new comforter. I think it will go the best to, what's that place called, Home Goods or something, and get a new comforter for that. So that's done. Then her room, she was supposed to finish cleaning it up, but she's always on her computer, and she knows she have homework to do too. I should go bother her. What is she doing? No. She's not like the other one. The other one be all up in this camera. And these are donation. So now I'm going to come over to my little area and just straighten up. I used to have all that stuff on the wall, but it keeps falling down. So I got to find a different way to keep track of my my weddings. I don't know what to do. It was a really good idea, but as you can kind of tell, my house is very minimalist. So dark wood floors, white furniture, gray walls. I may change my walls to, no, when my kids get older, because right now, no. So yeah, everything is either white, gray, and dark brown. So anyway, I'm gonna clean this, then we'll move down the hall to the pool table / kids area. Now we are off to the Dollar Tree.
And we are going to.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the items so that I can make the
My room.
No, not your room.
Ridiculous.
So I can do. I told you this morning how I want to do the bulbs for my bulbs. How do you say it, London? Bulbs. Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
Bulbs.
Yeah.
Bulbs for my Christmas tree.
Yeah.
So that is what we're going to do. And Kenzie wants to make
Okay.
cake. So,
And there's some toys for me.
and some Dollar Tree toys. So we're on our way.
I'm gonna hold a grandma the whole time.
Bye.
Hello, and we going to play. So I went to the car and look. We're going to the Dollar Tree, and I don't know why. Because we're really going to the Dollar Tree. I can figure it out, but I don't think so. With some toys and stuff like that. I was here at the Dollar Tree. Bye.
So this is the tree, and as you can see, it's kind of cute, but I need more stuff. More. I found these at, where did I find those at? Hobby Lobby. I got these last year from Walmart, and then I just got those right there from Walmart, but it needs so much of stuff. I need one more of this to go through the tree. It would have been cool if I had another one of these, because you know what, if I could have found, so when we went to Walmart, the Dollar Tree, it was an epic fail. They had no, see, this is something like what I want to create, almost like this, but I was just going to wrap the bowl all the way around and just make one complete ball. But They don't have the boas there anymore. And then my mom got me this guy. He's pretty big. If I had like 3 or 4 of them to go in here, it would be cool. You know what I'm gonna get? I know exactly what I'm gonna get. I am going to go and get, hold on, turn me this way and talk. I know exactly what I'm going to get. I am going to go and get, I'm just gonna go get some hydrangeas and something almost like this right here. My wreath that I need to put on the door. So okay, so something like this. Like these poinsettias and hydrangeas. I think I just put those in the tree and fill up some of the spots because it is big. Let's see. It's tall. I think my tree is probably 9-10 feet tall, I guess. It's artificial. I got it from this place. Oh man. Messing up my couch. Ooh, we don't. I mean, okay. But anyway, so yeah, so that's what I will do. I need to hang that up. And I said I was going to stop saying I need to do and just do it. Because I said I need to do something and I don't end up doing it. She hear I'm doing this without her. She's going to run. But right now she's on her pool table playing with Barbie dolls. So right now I'm with this one doing her work. I had a very productive day. I cleaned up. So it was an epic fail. We went to Dollar Tree and they had nothing. I mean, I was able to buy the balls, but they didn't have any of the boa, and I could have swore they had that there. You know, they have stuff here and there, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. Tomorrow I'm going to go Christmas shopping. And then when I come back, I'm going to take my little one to Walmart because for some reason she likes going to Walmart. It's just her thing. And I'm doing it again. Not looking there, looking there. Anyway, I want to say, and so we're going to go to Walmart. I'm going to go shopping, and that's it. So, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you've liked it so far. I'm doing pretty good with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and like my daughter said, hit the bell and comment down below, loves. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.